Welcome to Study Loop.
For this problem, let's try a partial fraction decomposition. So if we will use that, the first thing to check in the denominator is whether or not this will factor. So if it does, we must factor it first before using integration, before doing partial fraction decomposition. So we can rewrite the integrand as this. And using what the author calls case 1 for partial fractions, this is when you have distinct linear factors in the denominator and they're not repeated, so both are to the first power. Put a 1 there. Then we have a over x plus 4 b over x minus 1. Go ahead and multiply both sides of this equation by the denominator on the left. We have a x minus 1, and then we have b x plus 4. And we could go ahead and pull out a x. And then there's our constant term. So by comparing the coefficients on the left and on the right, we could see that a plus b must equal 1. So that's one equation. And from looking at the constant term, we have 4b minus a, and that must equal 2. So let me rewrite that. So here, this is just the 2 by 2 system that we can solve for a and b. For example, if I just add these two equations together, on the left, 5b, on the right, 3, that gives me b. And then plugging this back into this equation up here, we find that a equals 2 over 5. So now we have our a and our b. Let's plug these in. And then instead of integrating the original function, we'll just integrate this partial fraction here with a and b. So I'm running out of room here. Let me go to the next page for that. So plug in a and b. Our integral becomes, we have a 2 over 5 for a. And then we have 3 over 5 for b. Now, you may have memorized how to integrate this by now, but if this plus 4 or if this minus 1 are bothering you, you could split this into two integrals, and then you would have to do two separate u subs. So that would be for the first integral, and then here you'd have another integral, and this time you would do u equals x minus 1. So in any case, 2 over 5 natural log x plus 4 plus 3 over 5 natural log x minus 1, and your endpoints, 2 to 4. And now let's just plug those in. So plug in the 4 first. 2 over 5 natural log 8 plus 3 over 5 natural log of 3. Now we plug in the 2. 2 over 5 ln 6, and then 3 over 5 ln of 1, and that's 0, so we can ignore that term, ln of 1. Now we just combine these three terms here and simplify, and this all reduces to ln of 48 all divided by 5. And that's our final answer.